I have gotten some feedbacks from my managers, and they do say that they see an overall improvement in my work quality also. And uh, increment is what I have gotten. Technically, if I say, I would say 3 to 4%. Current designation is specialist in data engineering. I was looking for a good program, and I got a call from one of your executive, and they helped me understand what exactly the course will be covering. On top of that, I have got enough amount of help from the team, from all the different teams. I have gotten some feedbacks from my managers, and they do say that they see an overall improvement in my work quality also. And um, increment is what I have gotten. Technically, if I say, I would say 3 to 4%. Current designation is specialist in data engineering. For me, sometimes it gets difficult, to take out a specific amount of time on a specific date, to attend the class also. There has been a time where I was not able to attend the class initially. So they were kind enough to, inform that we have these recordings available with us, and we have the offline courses also going on in parallel with us. So in case whenever I need to, if I am stuck anywhere, I am revising any kind of, topic. If I'm revising in SQL currently for now, and I'm stuck anywhere, so I can just go back to those recordings. Overall, like with the course itself, yes, I'm very happy and satisfied with it. I continuously get emails or calls from them that whether I am facing any kind of issue or not. So it basically becomes transparent from my side also to highlight if I have any issue. And I think it gets easier when you have that kind of support with you. You also want to, give your best to the course. I would want to recommend it for anybody else if anybody wants to join this course. I am not sure if I am the correct one to rate on it, but yeah, 10 on 10 from my side. But if anybody watching this, yes, definitely I would want to recommend them this program.